Toilet paper rolls, what to do with them? I got it. Good morning, it's Jane from the Middlesex Early On team, and today's virtual experience is making a bird feeder. And yes, all you need is a toilet paper roll, bird seeds of course, peanut butter or any kind of butter if you're allergic to the peanuts there, so something sticky or even shortening, a pie plate, scissors, a knife, and some ribbon. So this is something fun you can do with your child to get connected with nature and watch the birds outside. So first we are going to fill the pie plate with the seeds. Up next, we're going to take our toilet paper roll and spread the peanut butter. So this is a great fine motor activity for the kids, just like spreading it on your toast. So we want to cover the whole toilet roll up. You just want to hold it along on the edges. And spread, spread, spread. And once you're done, so it's all covered. Once it's done, get to roll it in the bird seeds. And press. You can see how easily this was all covered up. And finally, just need to take your string, yarn, so we're going to feather it through the toilet paper roll. Have the ends together and tie a knot. Like so. You can hang this on a tree outside or wherever you can. And then enjoy the birds eating away while you watch them from your window. And of course you can just learn about all the different kinds of birds that you see. You can match along with different pictures, lots of different activities. You can find the full lesson plan on our Middlesex website. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I hope you continue to connect, learn, and grow with us. Until next time, bye!